Hi everyone, welcome to SKM Academy. Today we are going to see Physics 12th Chapter 1 Example 1.10. So in this question they have given us the electric field components in figure 1.24 are E of x is equal to alpha x power 1 by 2 and the electric field components on y and z directions are 0, in which alpha is equal to 800 Newton per coulomb meter per 1 by 2. So here we are going to calculate the net electric flux on the cube and also the charge within the cube. So assume that A is equal to 0.1 meter. So that they have given as the electric field E, which is along the x direction alone. So the electric flux is defined as phi is equal to E dot del S, or otherwise it can be written as E del S cos theta. So here we are going to find out the flux on the left face and the flux on the right face, and then we are going to find out the net flux with these values. So for that we have to find the electric field on the left face. So that is E of x is equal to alpha x power 1 by 2. So E of x can be written as alpha a power 1 by 2 because the distance from the origin to the left face is E. And for this the flux on left face is phi of L, which is equal to E del S cos theta. So substitute the value of electric field component here. So alpha a power 1 by 2 a square cos of 180 degree. So cos of 180 degree is due to the unit vector which is along the left direction and the electric field is along the right direction, so that the angle between the unit vector and the electric field is 180 degree. So phi of L, which is equal to alpha a power 5 by 2 and cos 180 degree is minus 1. So flux through the left direction is minus alpha a power 5 by 2. See, this is equation 1. And then we are going to find out the flux on the right face. For that the electric field on right face is E of x, which is equal to alpha x power 1 by 2, or E of r is equal to alpha. Here the x value is the distance from the origin point to the right end. So it's 2a. So 2a power 1 by 2 and the flux on right faces phi of r, which is equal to E del S cos theta. So substitute the electric components. So alpha 2a power 1 by 2 a square cos 0 degree. So cos 0 degree value is 1. So phi of r is equal to alpha 2 power 1 by 2 a power 1 by 2 a square into 1, means after deducing we will get the flux through the right side direction is alpha root of 2 a power 5 by 2. So this is equation number 2. So then we are going to find out the net flux. So in this cos 0 degree is arise due to both the unit vector and the electric field both are in the right direction, so that the angle between the unit vector and the electric field will gives you the 0 degree parallel. Okay, so the net flux phi is equal to phi of r plus phi of l. So substitute the values of right direction, right flux is alpha root 2 a power 5 by 2, and flux through the left direction is minus alpha a power 5 by 2, a power 5 by 2. So flux phi is equal to alpha a power 5 by 2 root 2 minus of 1, and substitute the given quantities. Here alpha is equal to 800 and a is equal to 0.1 and root 2 which is equal to 1.414. So we will get phi is equal to 800 into 0.1 power 5 by 2. So 1.414 minus 1. So phi is equal to 800 into 1 by 10 power 5 by 2 into 0.414. And then phi is equal to 800 into 1 by 10 power 5 the 1 by 2 into 0.414. So phi is equal to 800 into, it can be written as 1 by 10 to the power of 4 into 10 power 1 by 2 into 0.414, and phi is equal to 800 into 1 by 10 square the whole square into 10 power 1 by 2. So these values will get cancelled into 0.414. So phi is equal to 800 into 1 by 100 into 1 by 10 power 1 by 2 into 0.414. So this value will becomes as phi is equal to 8 into root of 1 by root of 10 into 0.414. So phi is equal to 8 into 1 by root of 10 is 3.162 into 0.414. So phi is equal to 8 into 1 by 3.162 is 0.3162 into 0.414. So flux phi is equal to 1.047 Newton meter square Coulomb power minus 1. So this is the net flux in this cube. And next we have to find out the charge within the cube. For that we have to use the Gauss law. So we know that the Gauss law phi is equal to q by epsilon naught. So rearrange this formula to find out the charge within the cube. So q is equal to 5 into epsilon naught. So q is equal to the net flux we have found it as 1.047 into that epsilon naught value is 8.854 into 10 to the power of minus 12. So after calculating this value, we will get charge Q is equal to 9.27 into 10 to the power of minus 12 coulomb. So thank you. We see you in next video.